But anyway, Dent of the Week.
Oh, is that another section we're going to be doing weekly?
It certainly is. We've got Tool of the Week and we've got Dent of the Week. So,
Dent of the Week.
What's the Dent of the Week for you, boss?
Dent of the Week for me. Oh, there's been so many of them. We were having this conversation the other day. It's that time of year where it's just wet and there's no small dings around.
Right.
And as you know, we've been having these back and forths all week as to why all I've got in the workshop is just smash damage. So there's been plenty of Dents of the Week, to be fair. But I would say it was one I posted up on my Facebook the other day. It was the top of a T-Rock door.
Mm-hmm. I saw that. It was on your Instagram, wasn't it?
Yeah, that, and I put it up on my Facebook as well.
Yeah.
It's like a purpley, bluey top of a door near the edge. So the guy actually did it. He was having a bit of a road rage incident and got out of his car, have a chop at the other guy, and as he got out, he leant with his elbow off the top of the door.
Right,
and,
okay.
Yeah, mangled it pretty good. And it turns out those new VW T-Rocks are about as thin as... I don't know, a Kia or a Suzuki, maybe.
Yeah, so you give it some beans and
I did give it some beans, Martin, as you well know, and I messed myself up before I even started. It happens to the best of us. I mean, it was stretch metal anyway, but I didn't necessarily start the dent in the best fashion, but we finished it all right. It came out pretty clean.
At least you gave those new tap downs a good run in then, didn't you?
I did. Yes, I did. I did it on purpose just to give the tap down.
Did you? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I believe you. Not.
Brutal. But yes, so it took slightly longer than it should have done, but all in all, super happy with how it came out, especially after my poor performance starting the dent.
Nice.
Next. And what about yourself?
It was a Honda CRV, I think it was, or an FRV. Like a SUV, and some lovely person came along and kicked it and put a dent in the door, the size of the door, multiple body lines, totally knackered it. So the chap came in, says, "You pop it," and I was like, "I don't want to sucker it out." Anyway, I suckered it out for him, and he booked it in. So I did that, and it took me at least a full day to do it, and. It was testing, but it didn't stretch, which I was expecting it to stretch and go a bit mangled. But
it's always nice when you get those.
I got it good enough.
And I do that all the time. I sort of make it out to be way worse in my head than it is.
Yeah.
You know, I'll sit there the night before, again, looking at MTRX. Oh, what I've got in tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a horrific dent. That's. And then you get it in the workshop the next day and you're like,
yeah.
All right. It's going to be an easy day. Easier.
No day is ever easy.
It's not, is it? No,
unless you get your 10 mini dents, but I think other people get those.
Yeah, I don't know, someone around my area is definitely doing all the 10s and 20 mil dents because I'm not getting them. I'm not seeing them.
No, me neither.
Never mind, mate. Never mind. All right. Cheers, guys. Take it steady.
Cheers. Bye-bye.